Hey everybody, get excited, get excited. This is a strong and powerful Corinne making a mark that cannot be erased, changing the world one face at a time. Guess what? Get excited, get excited, get excited, get super excited. Get excited. We are in the month of March. Get excited. And this month we are celebrating women. This is Women History Month. Get excited, everybody. Get excited. Get super excited. So I would be doing a collaboration with some fabulous makeup artists over 40, beauty over 40. So this month we'll be collaborating together, doing wonderful makeup looks for women over 40. Can you guys get excited about that? So subscribe to my channel, their channel, and follow us on Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter. Get excited, everybody. Until next time, have a wonderful, wonderful day. Get excited. Get super excited. Later.